Today, we're gonna make Rainbow Science Experiments. Let's get started! It's showtime! Okay, now the first science experiment, we're gonna do the Rainbow Skittles with water. The things we need is a plate or a sheet, anything, but a plate for me, and some Skittles, any Skittles you want, and some warm water. Let's put the rainbow. Yellow, green. Instead of blue, let's do purple. Okay, when we pour water, we put it in the middle. That's enough. Look at that one. Look at that. I'm just gonna vacuum these up a little bit because they're a little bit coming out because I accidentally poured wild. Look at it. So pretty. Also, you could use this for a big plate, but I always use a small plate. And if you're wondering why I have a big table now, because I had a new table. Whoa! I just turned around for 2 seconds and then this happened. Whoa, it's finished!